When it comes to innovation in plant genetics, it doesn't get much better than this. The Melbourne International Flower and Garden Show Plant of the Year submissions. And this one is a beauty. Nandina Magical Lemlim is the ultimate landscaping plant as it's fuss-free and really easy to look after. And it features a nice compact dense habit with these zesty lime green leaves. So it's great for adding colour and texture into the garden. It has also won awards internationally for its versatility and adaptability. From frost to heat and dry conditions, they are no problem. This plant will grow and thrive. Nandina Magical Lemlim can be grown in containers just like this in the garden or as a low hedge, and best of all, it doesn't require any pruning. So it's the perfect plant for you to be creative with. Nandina Magical Lemlim is in retailers now, and if you wish to learn more about this plant, you can head over to pma.com.au.